My dinner for today, fish cake with carrots, potatoes, and a cucumber with melted butter. Yummy! And with onion, of course. Yeah, fried in butter. Yummy! My sauce is just a melted butter also. Thank you, Lord, for another blessing. Thank you. We glorify you, we praise you, we give you thanks and praise. Thank you, Lord.